Hey, it's Paul Pana, and on behalf of my partner Sid Diwar and the whole team, welcome to DoodleMaker. For the first time ever, you're now able to leverage next generation artificial intelligence to effortlessly create doodle videos in multiple formats that skyrocket engagement and sales. With several advanced technologies and features not available in any other app, DoodleMaker gives you a powerful advantage over other marketers and entrepreneurs. Over the years, we've been fortunate to serve over 500,000 customers, and that's taught us two extremely important things. And the first is to exclusively develop software solutions that use the latest technologies to give customers a real advantage. We know that you don't need outdated or ineffective tools, so we only focus on the real innovation that moves the needle in your business. The second lesson we've learned is to massively over-deliver on value. We did everything possible to do that and earn your trust with DoodleMaker. But now it's on us to continue earning that trust. So we'd like to give you an absolutely epic advantage right now and give you the opportunity to make unlimited income streams, including recurring from DoodleMaker. So here's what we have for you and why, especially now, it's a must-have advantage that you really need to get up and running with. You're about to get unlimited enterprise white-label rights to the software. This isn't anything like those basic reseller packages that you often see where you become an affiliate of the product. This white label upgrade gives you the rights to profit by selling unlimited copies of DoodleMaker as your own app, including rebranding our best-selling DoodleMaker app with your own logo, so you have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to gain instant authority in the lucrative software industry. This is great because as far as customers are concerned, you're the owner and developer of the software. Now we all know that businesses and marketers around the world need video to grow their business. Specifically, demand for Whiteboard, Glassboard, and Blackboard formats has gone through the roof recently. You see, companies and individual marketers are paying thousands each month to freelancers for their Doodle video needs. But with your DoodleMaker white label license, you can save business owners hundreds to thousands of dollars each month by selling them the software under your name, so they can use artificial intelligence technology to make unlimited videos for all their goals. It's the ultimate win-win, a powerful solution for clients that gets them better results while slashing their expenses and ongoing revenue for you with the ability to charge whatever you want for the software. How you sell and how much you sell the app for is completely up to you. The choice is yours. If you want to sell it at a one-time price or a monthly fee, go for it. And of course, that means passive recurring income for you. Sell the product once, get paid every single month thereafter. You have unlimited flexibility on how you promote this. Use social media, YouTube, or your own websites. Leverage digital product platforms, even included as an upsell to existing products that you own or have the rights to sell. With the unlimited enterprise white label, you can quickly establish multiple income streams and scale up to your own software selling agency when you're ready. The sky's the limit here, and you're just getting started. Because our goal is your success. We are in your corner 100% of the way. This means we handle all the customer support and the app updates. So your job is done after the sale. We cover all the costs of hosting and rendering for your customers. You maintain access to all your customer information. It's all conveniently stored for you in your white label dashboard. Now, even though DoodleMaker practically sells itself, we are not taking any chances with your success. So we're including a professional sales video and a complete sales page created by industry-leading graphic designers and copywriters to convert as many of your prospects into buyers as possible. How easy is it to sell DoodleMaker, you ask? Consider that in the digital marketing industry, software products have the highest perceived value, and video software as a category are amongst the highest selling compared to any other digital product. And artificial intelligence technology is one of the most in-demand features in new software today. DoodleMaker ticks all the boxes, and the best part is now you get to sell it as your very own software with your own branding with the complete white label rights that we're giving you today. If you wanted to create your own software to sell from scratch, you'd be looking at an investment of at least $75,000 for the product alone, not including market research, testing, server costs, ongoing updates, sales materials, and of course, customer support. Even if you got it done for under $100,000, it would still be a huge risk because you would have no idea upfront how well it would sell. With DoodleMaker White Label, you get all the benefits of your own software to sell for a profit with absolutely none of the hassles or ongoing costs. Yes, that's right. From this page, you can unlock your white label rights for an incredibly low one-time fee. This is extremely limited, and this low price will be taken down without notice, and you'll never see it again. In fact, we've offered similar licenses previously to private audiences for $997, and they sold like hotcakes. And that's because smart people know a good investment when they see one. The ability to sell unlimited copies of a breakthrough software using technology nobody else has ever seen. As a new DoodleMaker customer, you won't pay anywhere close to what this package is actually worth. All we're asking is a small one-time fee to offset our significant costs of hosting, maintenance, and support for your buyers. And there's no risk to you because you're covered by our 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So pick this up, and if you decide for any reason it's not for you, you get a full refund within 30 days. So hit the button below this video to lock in on this must-have upgrade. There's never been a better time in the last 5 years to be in the video software business. With all the businesses looking to gain an online presence due to the recent world events, the demand for animated doodle videos has significantly increased. People everywhere are already spending thousands a month on video creation. And now you can save them money and get paid extremely well to do it without any ongoing effort. You already bought DoodleMaker, so you know the benefits of the software. Hundreds of thousands of others need these benefits as well, and they're just waiting to hear from you. You can cover the cost of your white label license selling just 2 copies of the app. Then it's pure profit after that. The possibilities to profit are truly endless. If you're using DoodleMaker for your own personal use, create unlimited accounts and share with family, friends, and employees to exponentially maximize your results. If you're an agency, create a unique account for all your clients with your own branding. Charge more for your services. If you're a reseller, sell unlimited copies and keep 100% of the profits. And remember, there are no limits on how many copies that you can sell, and no restrictions on what you charge, with our team in your corner handling all the support and updates. Plus, your own professional sales page and video sales letter. Everything is optimized to convert, and you have full control over the branding, the pricing, and what you promote. This is your ticket to multiple income streams by selling unlimited copies of DoodleMaker with the full support of our team in your corner. So take advantage of this exclusive white label upgrade. Doodle videos are in such a high demand, and DoodleMaker's powerful artificial intelligence is a game changer in the industry, which makes now the perfect time to make unfair profits with the enterprise white label upgrade. Click below to get started right now.
Information link below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.